That was so fucking stupid, bro.
And stay down. 2 points, Star-Lord.
Well, if you say Venom, then that's good. I feel like nobody ever really plays tank.
Maximum pulse!
A nice deep
Your
freeze.
king from the coldest depths. No swimming away now, little
Buy some
fish.
bad guys.
We're finding our groove.
My strength is returning.
Show's over.
That's good, because, like, trust me, nobody ever plays tank.
Protect your king from the coldest depths. So may wash our
No way. They don't even have a tank. Oh, never mind it.
I am.
I really should switch, bro. I think I'm the problem here.
You're not going anywhere. Their team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
On your 6.
That's the... Just here to do my duty. Maximum pulse!
They've almost got it. Plasma.
That was so fucking dumb.
First.
I am returned to claim what is mine. Seize this area.
Get in there.
Make it ours.
Bogies, here they come.
Bro,
Born again!
why is the tank pushing? My bad, that was on me, guys.
Well, you can't expect to win them all.
I don't want to end on a loss. They just weren't damaging enough, I guess. Let me go pee and then I'll ready up again. I'll be right back. Actually, should I end? I think I should end 7 AM, bruh. GG's, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna end. I'm tired, actually. Good night. Oh, Miss Shania, no! I did have space. I think they're gonna play though. I think Star and Mav are gonna play. I do have a Discord server, yes. But yeah, I'm about to raid out, guys. Copy and paste the raid message. Please raid 1 if you're not subbed, and then the rest of the raid is if you are subbed. My head is kind of hurting right now. GG, thank you guys for the game. Sorry I couldn't carry map. I'm getting off right now. Arc. This is my my server though. Good night, good luck. I appreciate y'all. And raid mama. Bye. Bye, good night. The fuck is that, Mav? Fucking toe. This girl is freaky, bruh. Super freaky girl. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, good night, for real. Bye. Damn it. Bitch, I thought you were sleeping, bruh.
There's another one down.
Control lost.
My battle has only just begun.
Kinda.
Control seized. You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
This is my last game. I think.
Giganto crushes all.
Welcome back. Are you still level 8?
The tides always turn in my favor.
Glow up. 30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
I need to pee, bruh. Need to pee so bad.
World famous Luna Snow. I remember you from a long time.
Oh yeah, my camera died.
Oh, I think you're right. I'm gonna...
So who do you like playing so far?
And then I'm going to...
Ars? Arc? I'll play Arc.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Bro, I'm doing so bad.
Heroes get the job done.
4k damage.
Times like these, we can't
Not
afford
it.
hesitation.
Not it. I'm only keeping it for the team up. Venom. You're PC, right? Arc?
Attack them! From the coldest depths!
Mission area is yours to capture now.
Maximum pulse! Next time, you may not be so lucky. You never had a chance.
Still got it after all these
Holy
years.
shit.
Mission